early this morning, people standing in long queues are awaiting eagerly when it comes to the launch of iPhone 16, the series that have just been recently announced. There is so much excitement there that seems to be reaching its new peak. In a video that is now surfaced on social media, as we are looking at many rounds as far as the people who have been standing in long queues, some of them even overnight, who are seen running towards the Apple Store in Mumbai to put their first hand on the newly launched iPhone 16 series as it goes on sale for customers today in India. The video showing long queues outside the Apple Store in Mumbai is BKC, that is India's first Apple Store that has gone viral. And we are also looking at when it comes to Apple, the company, and also the product which is known for its annual launching of its iPhone series and other products that has rolled out the iPhone 16 lineup in almost 60 countries now, including India, South Korea, China and Australia. Similar pictures are also being seen at the national capitals, the Select City Walk Mall, at the Saket Apple Store as well, where the crowd thronged to the shops to purchase the new launch of the iPhone series, and people standing in long queues waiting for the store to open. All right, Shrishti and Nikhil both joining us from Mumbai and from the Delhi outlets. Good morning to both of you. Shrishti, BKC outlet, how are we looking at the pictures coming in today this morning?
Well, of course, right now where I'm present is inside the BKC iPhone store here in Mumbai. And you can see in the visuals, absolutely. The new series has been launched. The Apple Store is filled consumers and they were standing in long queues. I'll ask my video journalists just to show around the queues outside the Apple Store. You can see the people are still standing. They're standing here since last night to get the iPhone, and they're absolutely excited. We have with us first buyers as well. We'll talk to them regarding their purchase and how they are feeling. But definitely several new colors has been launched. You can see the titanium colors which has been launched. They are absolutely premium. Gives a nice feel also. These marine, teal, pink, white and black colors are also absolutely exciting, as the previous series of iPhone which was there that was a little dull as per the consumers, and this is absolutely bling and they are excited for. And importantly, this time they have also emphasized on the wireless charging, and they have increased the capacity also, as in the future they will be emphasizing on that aspect as well. Action button which is there, that is also quite interesting for the consumers, as this will be the action button and one can access camera via it. So absolutely new features, excited consumers. We have a person with us who has bought a lot of things. This is his purchase, and we'll talk to him. Sir, how much excited are you? What have you bought?
I'm super excited. I purchased a 16 Pro Max white titanium, and along with that I purchased AirPods Max.
Okay, and how much it costed you?
The phone was around 160, 165. AirPods was 60, 65.
What exactly is the feature you are absolutely excited for?
I'm the most excited for the bigger, better display.
Okay, and the action button?
Yeah, even the camera action button is amazing.
Yeah. So, thank you, sir. Thank you for connecting with us. So, the action button is not only just a touch button, but it also has a sensory features as well. Also, the artificial intelligence features will roll in next 2 months. So, that will also be exciting. We'll talk to a few more people over here. Sir, iPhone लेने आए हैं आप, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? कितने excited हैं?
बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हैं। हम लोग गुजरात से आए हैं, नवसारी से।
गुजरात से आए।
सुबह से खड़े थे 6 बजे से। हम लोग कल रात से ट्रैवलिंग कर रहे हैं 12:30 बजे से।
अभी ले लिया आपने?
हाँ, ये 16 प्रो।
16 प्रो लिया। क्या कॉस्ट में लिया?
1,29,000।
ये क्या एक्साइटमेंट होती है कि हर बार पहले
लेना है? वो है एक एप्पल के साथ कुछ अटैचमेंट है कुछ।
You have attachment to
yeah.
So these are the consumers. What they are saying, they are absolutely attached with the iPhone, and that's how people, react. We have few other people also with us. We'll talk to them. Sir.
Well, this is the excitement that could be seen, especially when it comes to the enthusiasts. Nothing can stop them because many of the consumers there, they are hoping to be amongst the first to grab the iPhone 16, Nikhil, or the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, or the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Are the people actually buying it, or they are there to just, be the first ones to check out the features of the new phone?
Well, Amita, so the people who have pre-booked their iPhone 16, they have by and large queued up here, but we need to see as to how many of them are able to actually get the iPhone 16, because everything depends on the stock. Currently, we are reporting from one of the Apple official store here in Saket, which is the Select City Walk Mall, and the people have started going inside to get first day the iPhone 16. And remember, iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus, these are the phones which have been assembled in Chennai, India, which is a big thing as far as the assembly line is concerned, although the parts have been imported from outside, but the assembly is something which is currently taking place in India, although there is no change in price even though they have been assembled in India. But also we are going to show you the queues from outside the Apple official store in Saket. We have spoken to some of the people who have arrived here as early as 5 a.m. in the morning, all the way from Ghaziabad, which means, Amita, that the hype is for real. People have queued up here, and this is something which is, you would think as to why any customer would want an item to purchase on day one itself. But this is what the Apple is all about. People have queued up here, not just on this side, in fact on the other side as well, which is going to be shown by my camera person Vipesh. So the hype is for real, the excitement is for real, and also these have been launched in 4 different variants, available in 5 different colors, and this is how the look and feel is like as far as the entire sale
Can you
is
speak
concerned.
to a few customers there? What are they looking forward to?
Well, most of the people we have spoken to, they have now actually gotten tired of speaking, and also because they have been waiting for long, but we need to see if some of the people are available to speak to us. Let's try and attempt. Sir, आप कितने बजे से यहाँ पे आए हैं? Okay, see, so the tiredness is clearly visible. आप कितने बजे से आए हैं यहाँ पे? कितने बजे आए आप यहाँ पे?
4 बजे।
आप सुबह 4 बजे? 4 बजे तो मॉल भी नहीं खुलता?
4 बजे आ गए थे, लाइन लगी हुई थी काफ़ी ज़्यादा।
कहाँ से आए आप?
साकेत से ही आया वैसे तो।
साकेत से आए 4 बजे। 4 बजे क्या मिला? कहाँ पे थे?
मॉल के बाहर ही थे।
अच्छा।
मॉल में एंट्री तो मिली है 8 बजे के आसपास, तब तक बाहर ही थे।
और आपने प्री बुकिंग की है?
नहीं।
अच्छा।
प्री बुकिंग कर रहे थे बट हुआ नहीं था, इस वजह से ऑनलाइन यहाँ
All
पे
right.
आके स्टोर पे आके लेने की कोशिश।
So fans there early in the morning, of course, the craze is very much real. Never seen the mall open up that early in the national capital. But many of the fans also who couldn't make it to the stores, they can still purchase the new iPhones online or through other outlets as well. From the BKC store, there is Srishti filing a report on to people there coming from different parts of the country to be the first one to check out the new iPhone 16 series.
Well, iPhone 16 has launched in India, and right now where we are present is at the Apple store in BKC, and you can see in the visuals people are absolutely excited. They are buying iPhones. Here in the iPhone store, we are showing you the exclusive visuals from the store, and you can see the new colors of the iPhone, specifically this color. This is absolutely exciting. The last series was little dull as per the consumers, but this series is absolutely bling, and different colors, the titanium colors, the teal colors, absolutely bling and beautiful colors. The features has been enhanced. Specifically this button has been given, which is an action button. Definitely a lot of features has been added. Colors are bling, and people are all excited. They are standing in long queues. I'll ask my video journalist to just pan around and show the queues outside the store. People are absolutely excited, standing here for the entire night to just get their own iPhone. So definitely a lot of excitement here for MacBooks, for iPhones. The series is entirely new for the consumers, as there are a lot of features that has been added. Importantly, they have mentioned the fact that they are enhancing on the wireless charger system in the iPhone. That's why that has been increased, and several other features has been given. We have a customer over here with us who was here from last night. He has bought a lot of things. Let's try and talk to him. Sir, what all things you have bought, and from when you were standing here?
Pro. I purchased a 16 Pro Max and AirPods Max. I was standing here like since yesterday in the morning. I came at 11. After that, I'm over here only.
Okay. Which phone? This phone you have bought?
Yes.
This is a brand new phone in your hand. Okay. How much excited are you?
100%.
And
Can't be more excited.
How much it costed you?
It was some 160, 165 with Apple Care Plus.
Okay. And what all things you have bought?
I have this and AirPods Max
Okay.
along with that.
What is the one thing that you are excited for in this series?
Honestly, fastest, like, it has the fastest charging in an iPhone, so I'm excited for that.
Yeah.
I'm also-
They are trying to enhance the wireless
It
charging.
also has the biggest screen ever in an iPhone.
Excited customers there as we are looking at when it comes to the reactions coming in, standing in long queues as far as the iPhone 16 series are concerned, having a longer battery life, upgraded camera systems, the new A18 processor as well. We are looking at a lot of new features that will now be available as far as the iPhone series is concerned, but also the exact launch when it happened in the United States of America. And connecting with that, of course, let's also get you the updates that we are picking up from the United States of America itself.